How to not get copyrighted on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to not get copyrighted issues on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Are you frequently facing the issue of copyright on TikTok? TikTok has a feature which checks your video for copyrighted material, due to which you might have to face the copyright issues. In order to avoid it, you simply need to first launch TikTok and log in. Head to the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Navigate to the three-line menu icon at top right. At the bottom, you can see TikTok Studio or simply Content Creators Tools. You can choose any one of those which is available to you. On this section, you can simply get different kinds of tools like analytics, monetizations, more tools like account check, create academy, and many more. Simply tap the gear icon at top right corner of TikTok Studio or Create Tools and turn on the button for video sound copyright check. This will auto check every time there is a new post. Once done, this will help not to get copyrighted issues on TikTok. Moreover, you can also upload any video on your original sound, or if you wish to add music, you can easily tap on add sound at top of your screen and choose the TikTok sound only. With that, you will not get copyrighted issues on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.